Hello everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland, I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Hello YouTube, what's happening? So today I'm going to deviate a little bit from the financial videos and I'm going to do a quick review on the MACTREM ring light. This is a lighting system with tripod that I bought off Amazon for £23 I think it was, and that included free delivery because I've got Prime. Now I know a lot of you are into your vlogging, a lot of the folk that interact with me and some of you that follow the channel are also financial vloggers as I am, and I've bought this little system. Firstly because I thought it was actually quite good value, and secondly because it's got 4.6 stars on Amazon out of 5, so I thought for £23 you can't really lose out, so I thought I'd try it. So we'll open it up. So the first thing I'll say I've noticed, it does come in really nice packaging, so we'll just open it up and unbox it. I thought it's time that I take my YouTube vlogging to the next level and invest in some proper kit. So let's have a look. Okay, right, so that's me opened it up here. Just a wee thank you from Amazon. You're welcome Amazon, if you're watching this, you're welcome. If you want to thank me with some free shares, I would oblige. Wee instruction manual there as well about it. Let's have a look. What I'll do is I'll unpackage the components, we'll have a look at them. First thing I've noticed guys is I'll start with the ring light itself. So as you can see the ring light is here, and it's got a wee sort of control on it for dimming the light. You can make it brighter or you can make it sort of a nice warm glow. It's got a USB on the end which will plug in for the power. Now the ring light comes in 3 parts. You've got the light itself, tripod, and you've got this wee sort of nut here which screws on top of the tripod, so we'll just put that on. And what this does, this allows you to actually adjust the positioning of the ring light. So obviously when you're videoing or filming yourself you want to make sure the ring light is pointing in a certain direction. So I'll put that on. So as you can see, that's set now onto the tripod. If you loosen this off, that allows you to swivel that. So you can swivel the ring light, so I'll just tighten that up for now. It's tight. We'll take the ring light, like so. And we'll just screw that on to the tripod. I need to say, first impressions, I'm really quite impressed. It feels pretty robust, and I like the fact that some of the parts are metal. I always think if parts are metal, it gives a good sort of feeling to it. So we'll just twist the ring light onto the fitting. There. Cool. Right, so that's it tightened on. Cool, so as you can see there guys, the ring light is fitted to the tripod. You can adjust the tripod legs to make the light nice and straight. And obviously with this, if we lefty loosey righty tighty, so loosen that off so you can see you can position the ring light, which is nice. I like the fact that it's quite small, it's not overbearing. Some of the lights I looked at were really big on huge tripods, which is not what I wanted. So that's the ring light itself, so I'll put that aside. We'll have a look at the actual device holder. So next up guys, we will have a look at the tripod for holding your phone or device that you use to record yourself when you're vlogging. So it's quite a cool wee tripod. Now this is really quite cool. I'm really quite excited to look. You can actually pull the tripod legs pull out, like so. That's really cool because you can increase the height. So the same as with the ring light itself. The ring light's just over here. It's got a wee sort of screw on the top, and this is the mechanism for holding your device. and you'll see it's one of these stretches out to take your device within it, like that. It's very easy to set up, which is pretty good, so we'll just screw that on the top. Like so. Okay, nice and tight. You don't want to go too tight because you don't want to damage anything. Screw that on there. Like with the ring light, the tripod's got this wee adjuster, so if you slacken that off, you can adjust the holder. So far I'm quite impressed. And then you can tighten this up at the back, so say you want to record landscape or horizontally, you can set it, tighten it, or you can have it portrait, just whatever suits you for whatever you're doing. So it's quite cool. So what I'll do now is I'm going to plug in the ring light and we'll see what that is. What light? Go bad yourself. So the ring light itself has a USB fitting, so you could either plug it into your computer for the power, but what I'm going to do, because I'm right next to a plug here, is I'm just going to plug it into a phone charging plug like so, which is USB enabled, and I'll plug it into the wall and then we'll see. So that's the ring light now plugged in. You can see here I've got a wee blue light on the control, so I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully it'll work. Oh yeah, that's bright. Right, so as you can see it's very, very bright. So you've got different modes. So that's obviously a clear white bright light. We'll change it. I think it's 3 modes. So it's a more bluey light, and then we've got a kind of warm glow, which I think that's a sort of setting that would be used by makeup artists, etc., or makeup vloggers. So I'll put it back to the bright setting, and you can actually adjust the brightness. I think that's at the max, so I'll turn it down. So you can see there it's dropping, and you can do that with every mode. And that is very bright, and that's excellent. What I'll do now, I'm going to position it facing me, and you'll see the different modes. We'll see how it lights it up. So as you can see in my previous videos, this would be the normal lighting that I would have in my videos, but I thought it was time to upgrade and get this ring light. And like I say, I bought it because of the price. I mean, it's £23, which to me, it's nothing. So I'll turn it on and we'll see what difference it makes. So you can see that is quite bright, quite a good difference there. I'll bring it in a wee bit. If I'll change the mode, so that's the bright white light, so let's change it to the blue. So that's the blue, and that's the warm glow. See a bit of a difference there. Obviously you can turn it down. What I would say, you wouldn't want to stare at the light directly because it is actually very bright on your eyes. The great thing about it is you can position it, and the lead's quite long, so you can move it away from you if it's too bright. But no, pretty cool. I'll turn it off. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that quick wee review and unboxing of the MACTREM LED ring light. Like I say, it was only 23 quid, and it's quite well reviewed on Amazon. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty smart. I'm delighted with it. It's light, it's easy, compact. No, it's really quite a cool wee thing. Only problem now is just lighting up my face. You'll probably see all my wrinkles and spots which were hidden before, but anyway, that's the way it is. So enjoy your vlogging. I'll be posting up some more financial videos soon on my share purchases and share trading. Hope you enjoy the channel, guys, and we'll see you soon. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, and so should you.